Hi everyone, this is the Python code that calculates the weight on the back of a person in a human pyramid recursively. Let's analyze the program complexity. The first function here I have used is a human pyramid function where it is a recursive function. This function makes two uh, two recursive calls in the else block. Uh, Recursive in the else block. One is in each recursive call, the row parameter decreases by one. Number of recursive calls in proportional to the input row, as the function is called once for each row in the pyramid. Additionally, the function does some constant time operations um, in each call. Therefore, each level of recursion adds to constant amount of work, resulting in total time complexity of O of n, where n is the input row number. The next function here is the main function. The main function takes the user input for the row and column, then calls the human pyramid function. Therefore, the time complexity of the main function is also O of 1. Since the time complexity of recursive function dominates, the overall time complexity of the code is O of n, where, however, we consider the division operation in each recursive call. We can say that the overall time complexity is O of n log n. Uh, this is because the number of recursive calls for each row decreases by approximately half as we go up the pyramid, leading to the logarithmic increase in the number of calls with respect to the input size. Um, in the provided Python code, the base case of the recursive function is when parameters is equal to the zero, where it is a top person. This corresponds to top person. This the function returns zero, indicating the top person does not carry any weight in specific implementation. It seems that the function does not consider bottom row separately. Instead, it calculates the weight distribution recursively of each person in the pyramid based on their position related to the top. However, it is essential to note the weight distribution is symmetric for the leftmost and the rightmost persons in each row, as the weight carried by the person in the middle of the row split evenly between them. Therefore, everyone in the bottom row would carry the same weight if the pyramid were constructed in a reality according to this weight distribution pattern. Let's run this code. So I'll enter the row number as 4 and the column number as 2. And the weight of the person who is in row 4 and column 2 is 480 pounds. Thank you.